So now we've opened a static structural project. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to just specify the units. You'll see a couple of active unit systems here. If I go down to the full list, I will see in this window SI, metric, US, customary, etc., etc. So the first one in column B here will be the active system for this particular setup. Column C will be the default one. Now if I wanted to hide one, it's just column D. So for this, it's up to yourself, obviously, as to what units you need. I'm just going to leave it with the metric, which is kilogram, meters, and seconds. So that's okay. I'll just close that. In the project itself, if you right-click on the project, you'll see a couple of options. I'm just going to rename it as my Beam project. And you can also add other systems to this. So if I wanted to add a second static structural, it's not exactly applicable in this case, but I can add those and I can share the data. So if I wanted to share the geometry from the first with the mesh in the second one, I can just do that. So the one on the left, the Beam project, would be described as the upstream project, and the one on the right, the unnamed one, would be the downstream one. But obviously we're not going to do that in this particular instance, so I'm just going to delete that. In the geometry part, if I right click, it gives me a few different options. So you'll see them here. There's the discovery, there's the space claim, the design modeler. You can also import geometry. So say you had like a SolidWorks model or even a CAD file, you can import pre-existing geometries. So if you're familiar with other packages for drawing that, then feel free to import. The difference between these three, I suppose, the design modeler is kind of your traditional CAD tool for creating kind of simple feature-based geometries, which is what I'm going to use. You can use Space Claim. It's probably better for editing and repairing and cleaning up imported CAD files. And then ANSYS have also started to use this Discovery, which is the more modern kind of integrated environment, and it combines geometry creation with meshing and real-time simulation, all kind of in the one frame. So I'm just going to open up Design Modeler by clicking on Design Modeler.